Hello, I'm Stuti Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. Kubota, a Japanese tractor and heavy equipment manufacturer, intends to raise its stake in Escorts. This might help the firm become a major participant in India tractor market, which is the world's largest. The Osaka-based corporation is expanding its shareholding from 9.09% last year to 53.50% with a fresh investment of 9,370 crore rupees. Yuji Kitao, president and representative director at Kubota, Japan, said the United company and the brother partnership will deliver innovative agriculture mechanization solutions to address global food security and increase farm production. Vestago Innovation was recently awarded with TSS Emerging Social Enterprises of the Year by TE Hyderabad at the TE Sustainability Summit 2021. Vestago is a platform for agribusiness and their associated farmers, helping them in identifying and removing inefficiencies in their operations and also serving cost of the farmers. Spices Board India Director of Marketing Basis Narayan Jha visited DVT SABC Biotech Kisan Hub Jodhpur and interact with a dozen of entrepreneurs, startups and small business engaged in processing and export of seed spices based at the Spice Park Jodhpur. He was accompanied by Dr. My Honor and Dr. Srishal Kuloli of Regional Office of Spices Board at Jodhpur. The delegates led by Jha have had in-depth discussion about various facts of seed spices and explosives and many to create an enabling ecosystem and the aggregation, processing and export of seed spices with entrepreneurs based at the Spice Park Jodhpur. IFFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited Nandan Farm Kharif produce paddy has been sold at the highest price in the market. Nandan Mega Food Park Private Limited, located in Chatta, which comes under the Mathura city of district UP. It was a 9-acre farm which had been sitting unused for over 8 years with cutting-edge technology. IFFCO Kisan has converted this land into a smart research development and training demo farm. Sudden reappealment of the farm laws after almost 1 year of constant protest has made a lot of people doubt the sudden turns to event that has unveiled itself in the political world. Dr. Kalyan Goswami, the Director General of Agrochem Federation of India, commented on the BACFI wholeheartedly welcomed the government decision to repeal the 3 farm laws, which would have to break the ongoing impasse. We also appreciate the Prime Minister for his commitment to provide good quality seed to the farmers, easy claim for damage, and offering the right price to the farmer to their produce. Krishi Jagran organizes webinar on understanding and management of inland fish farming on the occasion of World Fisheries Day. Krishi Jagran has always been actively working to make farmers aware of the latest trend in the various agriculture and allied services. 5th International Agronomy Congress will be organized by Indian Society of Agronomy in collaboration with ICAR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi, from 23 to 27 November 2021 at PJTSAU, Hyderabad, Telangana, India, under the theme of Agri Innovation to Combat Food and Nutrition Challenges. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.